Alright meal preppers, today we're making a slow cooker honey sesame chicken with a side of rice. It makes 4 servings, each coming in at 521 calories, 57 carbs, 43 protein and 12 fats. It's come out awesome, so let's get into it. First, let's start with the sauce. Grab a large mixing bowl, and in this we want to add in half a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or cornflour. Then mix this in together. Once that's done, now we want to add in a quarter cup of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of honey, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Mix this in really well together, then you can put that to the side. And next up is prepping the chicken. Grab a chopping board, and what we need is 700 grams of chicken breast. We want to chop this into 2-inch bite-sized pieces or as close as you can. And as you go along, put this into a large resealable bag. And when the chopping is done, add in 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch into the plastic bag, seal it up and toss it around and really mix it in together. Once done, you can put this to the side. And now we're onto the cooking. So grab a large pan or skillet and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and preheat to a medium high. Add in the chicken, then cook for 1 to 2 minutes till the outside is brown but not too long that it's cooked through. And once that's done, take it off the heat. Now we want to grease up the slow cooker to avoid any of that chicken sticking to the bottom. So add in the chicken, spread it out evenly and pour the sauce over the top. Put the lid on, turn the cooker on low heat and set the timer for 3 hours. When you've got 30 minutes to go on the timer, we want to get the rice ready. So take 1 cup of raw rice and put it into a rice cooker or on the stovetop. Then follow the instructions on the pack. And when the timer goes off, that's the cooking done. We now have a honey sesame chicken that is ready to be served up for dinner or packaged up for meal prep. This recipe makes 4 servings and will last up to 3 to 4 days refrigerated in an airtight container. As always, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've added the recipe and ingredients below, and please remember to like and subscribe for more content. Catch you next time, team.